Galaxy S9 prices plummet again as blockbuster update finally released by Samsung. Samsung's Galaxy S9 gets another good discount as this device finally begins getting the major Android 9 Pie upgrade. The Galaxy S9 has just received another price cut and now could be a good time to buy one. This Samsung flagship device is finally getting the update many have been patiently waiting for, with Android 9 Pie being slowly rolling out across the world. Samsung began its S9 Android upgrade last week, with some lucky owners already able to install this latest operating system on their devices. The blockbuster update, which Samsung calls One UI, brings a swathe of new features and an updated look to this popular device. Included in the upgrade is a customizable night mode which adjusts the screen's tone, brightness, and contrast to offer users a more focused and comfortable viewing experience. Discussing One UI, Samsung revealed, One UI helps you focus on what really matters to you. With hardware and software working together in harmony, see only what you need, using and viewing your phone with an experience that feels second nature. Standardizing these design elements not only enhances the UI's aesthetic appeal, but it also creates pleasing consistency with the rounded corners of Galaxy devices. Along with this 9 Pie update arriving on the S9, this phone has just got another decent price cut. Some of the UK's biggest retailers have cut the price of the S9, with Argos and Cutties both offering a discount of £90 and Amazon cutting the cost to just £556.50, a saving of over £180. If you don't want to pay out all that money at once, then there's another good contract deal from mobiles.co.uk. The online store currently has the S9 with an upfront fee of just 99p. This contract then costs £32 per month with 10 GB of data plus unlimited calls and texts included as part of the bundle. The deal is for 2 years with a total cost of £768.99. It's worth remembering that whilst these are all good deals on the S9, there may be a reason for the big discounts. Next month, Samsung will reveal its latest Galaxy S10 at an Unpacked event in London. This smartphone is expected to be packed with upgrades. Although nothing has yet been confirmed, its thought features could include a bigger edge-to-edge display, improved triple rear camera, and something called reverse wireless charging, which will refill other devices when they are placed on top of the S10. One final upgrade will be an improved processor, which should make this the most powerful phone Samsung has ever made.